What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a lovely, nearly flawless Ford F-150. Pretty much flawless all the way around. However, look at the driver's side mirror. What you're looking at is a territorial bird that has been attacking the reflection of itself in the driver's mirror. I've had this problem on a car of mine, and it turned out to be a female cardinal, and they are quite territorial, and it was constantly doing the same thing at the car windows and mirrors and even the house tinted windows and whatnot. Totally ridiculous. I mean, the thing was a spaz and a half, and unfortunately the only thing I could do was capture it. So I set out one of these little vermin traps. You know, it's like a trap that has doors on each side, and I put some bait in it. You know, I did catch other animals along the way, but I finally caught that bird. I'll put a video up of it. You know, this was a couple of years ago, but I totally caught that bird. And you know, I don't live anywhere near here. I mean, I guess it's possible it could be the same bird, but these birds don't migrate. You know, they don't move around from their territory. So this guy's got a different problem, or a different bird, same sort of issue. So if you see something like this on your car, you're gonna have to get creative and find a way to capture the bird and take it elsewhere, or deal with it however you want. But that's what we had to do, and it took me 2 years to capture that stupid bird. And yeah, so anyway, check it out. We got tons of videos on our channel. You might like it. If our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen, and please send a donation. You'll have a great day.